If you want to improve your Wi-Fi speed on Windows 11, there are a few settings you can change that may help boost your wireless performance. Start by opening the search menu, type Control Panel, and open it. Go to Network and Internet, then click Network and Sharing Center. On the left, select Change Adapter Settings. Right-click your Wi-Fi adapter and choose Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, then click Properties. Use the following DNS server addresses and enter one of these public DNS options: Google DNS, Preferred DNS, 8.8.8.8, Alternate DNS, 8.8.4.4, Cloudflare DNS, Preferred DNS, 1.1.1.1, Alternate DNS, 1.0.0.1. Click OK, then close to save the changes. Next, right-click the Wi-Fi adapter again, select Properties, and click Configure. Open the Advanced tab. If your wireless adapter supports these options, set 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz to auto. Then change band selection or preferred band to prefer 5 GHz or 5 GHz only. The 5 GHz band offers faster speeds than 2.4 GHz, but it has a shorter range. For the best performance, stay close to your Wi-Fi router. If your network disappears after switching to 5 GHz, your router or wireless adapter may not support a 5 GHz connection. In that case, switch the setting back to its previous value or enable the 5 GHz band in your router settings if it's available. After applying the changes, your Wi-Fi adapter may briefly restart, and you may need to reconnect to your wireless network. These simple adjustments can help improve browsing, streaming, gaming, and download speeds on Windows 11. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Windows 11 tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching.